Right, on board. I have 5 litres of my white sugar spirits, 40%. I've been organising all the drink I've got. Shit. Okay, that's 4 litres in there. Keep forgetting it's a 5 litre container, not a 4 litre. Right, what I'm going to do... God, that smells nice. I got these. I thought they were great because I wasn't wearing my glasses. It's gooseberrys. So all I'm going to do is chuck them in. God, that smells nice. And see how it goes. Well, that smells really fucking strong. See, the thing is, when you get used to buying booze in the shops, they say 40%, but it's actually not. They put a load of crapping chemicals in it to make it taste stronger than what it really is. So when you actually have 40% alcohol, like your homemade stuff, it smells really strong and tastes really strong and very nice. So that's going to go in there, and well, fuck it, it's an experiment.